Long live Elo B, man. Long live Caleb 2s. 260 get blitzed with them hockey sticks. I'm big up train straight from Subway. I got locked up with me, Jose. My boss is slow, had to upgrade. Now all I ride in phones is straight at Moto. Mark looking for geese when niggas drop. I'm going to base. Get locked up, I'm bonded. Now can't beat the case. I'm going to race. Big bust before I rap.
Why are you sipping on two? What the fuck is he doing, Jordan?
That boy shit, man.
You got 2 stars. What the fuck? That shit crazy, ain't it? Yeah, gotta bless that motherfucker, no cap. Them the sour? No, them the sour.
Wild berries, bro. Appreciate you.
I don't think I had these.
That's how niggas be.
How you eat these? You gotta shake these motherfuckers.
Yeah, you
gotta shake them motherfuckers, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What you got, Cody? Hot fries?
Hot fries, you want some?
Hell no, not right now. I ain't got no drink. You trying to set a nigga up. Hell no.
A few moments later.
Crazy. All right, God. God damn. As y'all can see, we cutting up with hella Trackhawks, hella Hellcats, in Chirac, bro. We going stupid. But millions worth of dollars of cars, bro. Shit is crazy. This is so hard to do with one hand, gang. We downtown cutting it up right now, bro. This shit is fucking crazy, bro. Ooh, but I'm cutting up with one hand on y'all niggas. I'm cutting up with one hand on y'all niggas. God damn! This shit crazy as fuck! Can you guys stop being black for once? Stop fucking being black! Stop being black! I'm gonna get it! Da-da-da-da! Hey, I'm gonna cut up like this, watch! I'm gonna cut up like this, watch! Hey, I'm gonna cut up just like this, watch! It's a pretty ass view! Hey, why is this view so pretty? It's a pretty ass view right here. This shit is, hey, this shit crazy, y'all. This is what we doing in Chicago, man. How y'all doing? Y'all look beautiful. Keep doing y'all thing. Oh, God. Oh, no. Hey, I'm about to put on that Chief Keef. We in Chicago. Yeah, O Block. Where O Block is? Now, let me shut up. Y'all gonna get me shot. Oh, my motherfucking jury on. You can try to flash like your bitch ass wanted. I'm a grown man. Shit. Damn, police right there. Oh, shit. Damn, we never put. Damn, we had a police station with it.